The DJI Mini 6 Pro hasn't been officially announced. No teaser video, no cryptic post on DJI's social feeds. Yet the rumor is buzzing louder than ever. Every leak, every insider tip, every speculative forum post hints that something major is coming. For drone enthusiasts, creators, and tech lovers alike, the Mini 6 Pro isn't just the next model, it's the elusive upgrade everyone's waiting for. A tiny drone promising a giant leap, just out of reach. What will it bring? Bigger sensor? 8K video? Dual cameras? Nobody knows yet, and that's exactly what makes the anticipation irresistible. Right now, the Mini 5 Pro sits proudly at the top of DJI's Mini lineup. Launched in September 2025, it shook assumptions about what a sub-250g drone could be by packing in pro-grade hardware, a true 1-inch CMOS sensor with 50-megapixel stills, improved omnidirectional obstacle sensing with LiDAR, and cinematic 4K at 60 FPS HDR video, all in a machine light, enough to be regulation-friendly in many countries. This little powerhouse extends flight time up to 36 minutes and more with battery upgrades, captures true vertical footage for social creators, and even sports a 225-degree tilt gimbal for creative angles. But here's where things get juicy. Despite the Mini 5 Pro's stellar capabilities, rumors suggest DJI isn't done. Not by a long shot. The earliest murmurs about a Mini 6 Pro point to a possible release window in 2026, as DJI refines its tech and pushes mini drones towards cinema-grade performance. Insiders suggest it may focus on Air or Avatar models before releasing the next Mini. So, what could the Mini 6 Pro actually look like? One persistent idea floating through tech communities is the integration of a dual-camera system. A first for the Mini series, while still staying under the all-crucial 249 grams weight limit that keeps pilots out of heavy regulatory paperwork. Now whispers suggest DJI might go even bigger, perhaps a 1.5-inch sensor paired with 60-megapixel stills and potential 8K video recording. That's cinema territory squeezed into a palm-sized flyer. Community leaks have also dreamed up 360-degree gimbal roll rotation, advanced AI-assisted obstacle avoidance, and richer LiDAR-based sensing for intelligent navigation in complex environments. Features that redefine what a mini drone can think and do in flight. Are those just fantasies? Maybe. But the signal strength behind them, from Reddit threads to early video leaks discussing specs and renderings, tells us there's enough interest and insider chatter to take them seriously, even if DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet. Early speculation suggests the Mini 6 Pro could push beyond the Mini 5 Pro's best, possibly touching 40+ minutes per battery thanks to higher density batteries and a more efficient design. That would give content creators more time in the air and fewer frantic battery swaps. Thank you for tuning in. So what does all this mean for you, the future-focused pilot? The DJI Mini 6 Pro remains a tantalizing promise, a drone that could finally merge ultralight portability with pro-level imaging. Every leak, Reddit sketch, and 8K or dual-camera rumor fuels the hype. Until DJI reveals it, creators worldwide will watch every hint and FCC update. Because if even half of these whispers come true, the ultimate mini drone could be unlike anything we've flown before. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.